Age is just a number. Ang taon sa buhay ng tao o edad ay maaaring masukat from the start you were conceived hanggang sa oras na pinapanood mo itong video na ito. Yes, ito'y maaaring measurement kung gaano ka nakatagal depende sa measure na ginamit mo, gaya ng oras, araw, o taon. Honestly, next few weeks I will turn 48. Question is, how old is old to turn into cycling? Kailan nga ba ang best time to dive into cycling? To a younger generation, they can call me uncle, burly, whatever, I don't care. Cycling, in my opinion, is for all generations. For as long as you are able, sampa na sa saddle at magbisikleta. Kahit na 5 kilometer lang ang kaya mo o 500 kilometers kung mamaw ka. Depende sa kaya ng katawan, huwag ka sanang mapipigilan. Maraming benefit ang maidudulot ng pagbibisikleta sa iyong pangangatawan at kalusugan. Good to your physical and mental health. During my younger days, sobrang busy sa pagtatrabaho sa ibayong dagat upang makaipon para sa aking maliit na pamilya. Dala ng walang form of exercise, mabilis ang pagbigat ng aking katawan. Sa pagbabalik ko sa Pilipinas, I make it a point to start doing some form of exercise. And I started with the cheapest form of exercise, which is running. I started running 5 kilometers, then progressed to 5 kilometers, until I become confident running endurance. From 10 km to half mary, and to full marathon. However, I must admit, I am not getting any younger. Running is too much for my knees and feet. Hence, I turn into low-impact form of exercise, which is cycling. Although I know how to ride a bike from my younger years through my chrome-painted BMX bike, it's just that last 2016, I turned into cycling. Well, what amazes me is the distance na makocover mo pag nagbibisikleta ka compared when you are running. I always say to myself, breathe. Just breathe. Every humps, lubak sa kalsada, uphill climbs, every flat roads. I always say to myself, this is a good ride. Kaya, just breathe. And breathe again. Bawat paghinga mo ay isang mabuting bagay upang ipagpasalamat sa Panginoon. Just remember, bonus na yung downhill portion of your ride. You have to enjoy it because you earn it. Kaya kung ang tanong, when is the best time to dive into cycling? My answer is, now. Kung hindi nyo pa nakiklik ang subscribe button, kindly click now. Huwag nyo rin kalimutan ang notification bell. Maraming salamat!